Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can utilize while and do while loop. So C# provides the while loop to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as the specified condition returns false. So if I am providing any mathematical condition, and in that mathematical condition, if it is true every time, it will just keep on repeating that thing, and once the condition is getting false, it will come out of the loop. Here we are going to see one example. So this is the basic syntax of while. It will start it while, then it will have some conditions, and then we want to repeat some set of code, so we will write it here. Say I am taking any variable integer, and that I'm storing in any variable name, say I, and I is equal to 0. Now I want to have a condition where I is less than 10. So now what it will do, till the time I is less than 10, it will keep on repeat that, and once I is greater than 10, it will come out. Now what I can do, I will just write console dot writeLine, and after writing console dot writeLine, I will just print I. Now I will increment I. I will do that with I plus plus operator, plus plus operator. So now we can see our code is looking good. So now once we run this, let us see what we are getting. We are getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what exactly is happening inside this code? We have a variable I which is int type, and it is 0. Now I have a condition while I is less than 10. It will come inside this block, and it will print console dot writeLine I. So it will print I every time, and each time it is going to increment I plus plus. Now say for example I is 0, we are coming inside this loop, then it is saying I is less than 10. Yes, I is less than 10. It will print I, then it will increment I. Now from 0 it will become 1. Same, it will go here, it will ask I is less than 10. Yes, I is less than 10. It will console dot writeLine, it will print I. Now I has become 1, so it will print 1. Now it will increment I again, and here it is going to increment it to 2 till the time I is less than 10. That is, till the time I is 9, it will keep on printing I, and once I is no more less than 10 or I is equal to 10, it will come out of the loop, and it will just terminate the whole scope of the code. So this is how while loops work. Now we are going to see how we can write do while. So do while is similar to while, but in one case it is different. In do while, the piece of code is going to get executed at least once. So this is the syntax for do while. I will just comment this out, and what I can do, I will write and the condition will be I should be less than 10. We are just going to increment this value of I, and now we are just going to see what is going to happen. We will just run it and see what it is printing. So it is printing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till 9. Here again same thing is going on. Difference between while and do while is that in while it is not going to execute the piece of code if this condition is not satisfied. But if we are in do while, then it is going to at least print this piece of code within this block at least once, even if this, what we can say, condition is false. So now if I take this value as 2, and here I just take it as 1, so is it 2 less than 1? No, that is not the case. But if I am going to run this, I am getting 2, because it is getting the value from here, from this variable. It is coming here, and then it is printing the value of this variable here, and then it is incrementing. Now it is coming out and it is validating. If here I am getting 2, 2 plus plus it will get 3, then here it will validate that 3 is less than 1. No, that's not the case. So it will just come out of the scope, or it will not going to print anything. So this is the difference between while and do while. In while, it is not going to execute the code if the condition is false. In do while, it is going to execute the code even if the condition is wrong. So the code will get executed at least once. Hope you are able to understand the difference between while and do while. Do support me and do subscribe to my channel, as I will keep posting new videos related to C# and other tech related videos. Thank you.